BGD 54554 SEX Precise Dry Film Thickness Gauge. The product probe 2 types, built-in integrated and external cable probe. Step 1. Open the instrument box, take out the instrument and its accessories. Step 2. Open the back cover of the instrument. Install the batteries. Install the safety rope. Note, recommended to wear the safety rope properly during the operation of the instrument to prevent the instrument from slipping. Step 3. In the off state, short press the power button to turn on the gauge. Press and hold the button, and the instrument will turn off. In the off state, press and hold the button for 3 seconds to enter the setting interface. In the settings interface, can set as follows: selection of measurement substrates, language settings, unit settings. It has 3 measurement modes: iron substrate measurement mode, Fe, non-ferrous substrate measurement mode, N-Fe, and automatic identification mode, Fe/N-Fe. For application with clearly indicated substrate, the Fe or N-Fe mode can be set as a fixed mode. In general, the Fe/N-Fe mode can be used. Short press to select the substrate to be measured, long press for 3 seconds to confirm the substrate option and enter the measurement interface. The gauge has 2 languages, Chinese and English. Short press to select language, long press the button for 3 seconds to enter the Chinese and English selection interface. Then short press again to select the required language, long press for 3 seconds to confirm the language selection and enter the measurement interface. Setting method, short press to select unit, long press for 3 seconds to enter the unit selection interface. The factory default is metric unit, μm. Select the required unit, long press for 3 seconds to confirm the unit selection and enter the measurement interface. A zero adjustment is required when using the gauge for the first time, after inserting new batteries, working with different materials or ambient temperature changes. Take out zero reference plates supplied within the case. Then press the instrument probe vertically in the center of the zero reference plate. Hold the probe still, pressing the button. The gauge will display zero reference place probe. After hearing a buzzer sound, the gauge will display lift-off probe at least 15 centimeters. Release the button and lift the probe away from the plate for at least 15 centimeters. The zero adjustment completed when there is the buzzer sound again, and the LCD screen displays 0.0. After the zero adjustment is completed, place the standard film on the plate. If the measurement value is stable and deviation from standard value within plus or minus 1 micrometer, the gauge can be used normally. Step 1. Place the substrate to be tested flat on the desktop. Step 2. Put the safety rope around the hand, use fingers to hold probe where there is non-slip groove. Step 3. Press the probe vertically on the surface of the object to be measured. Keep the probe steady and do not tilt or shake it. The result will be shown on the screen, and there will be a buzzer. Step 4. To continue measuring, lift the probe away from the object. Repeat the operation of Step 3. When measuring, the following interfaces may appear. In the automatic identification mode, when substrate is changed substrate, the interfaces N-Fe measurement mode / Fe measurement mode. Lift and measure again to get the result. Step 5. The instrument can perform measurements on non-horizontal surfaces. Press the probe vertically on the surface of the object to be measured. Hold the probe still, the gauge will display result. The split thickness gauge has the slit deep probe function, which can easily measure the thickness of the slit area. Step 5. In measurement mode, press the button to check historical data. The gauge stores 9 sets of data. When more than 9 sets of data are stored, the earliest recorded value is automatically deleted. Number 1 is the last test data. Recorded data won't loss after powering off.